We are here for our fourth historical marker for African American history, and we are doing our historical marker for General Colin Powell at the school that's named after him in Fairfax County. And what's very unique about this marker project is that we look for students to do the submissions. So the students made the submissions, community members vetted them, and now we are at the installation part. So we're very excited about this opportunity today.
When the Board of Supervisors and the school board came together to try to recognize more completely the African American history in Fairfax County, we made it pointed effort to make sure that our kids were a part of that and that they were leading the charge, because so much of the work we do, just like the work that Colin Powell did, is focused on how we can raise up our young people and focus on the next generation so that the next generation can be the leaders of our community.
I just think it's a great way to show people like amazing people just right from Fairfax County is really cool, especially people like General Powell. I just think it's such a great inspiration for the children who go here.
It's a wonderful way for the community to learn more about those who have contributed to our wonderful county and all of the experiences of those who've lived here.
I absolutely love imagining that generations of people who pass through this neighborhood will see this marker about a person who lived here just like they did and grew up to do great things. My dad would love that too.